Come on, how sweet is that? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun building this, and I look forward to seeing what some of you guys come up with. Come up with your own version, wall mount, whatever. You could probably make it out of wood too. Anyways, super fun, learned a lot. Next week's project video will be 2 gorgeous side tables, samurai style. So look forward to that, and then after that, boom, hot tub. So excited. If you guys are digging this channel, if it's inspiring you to actually get out there and do some woodworking, that is awesome. If you don't know where to start, feel free to go check out my online woodworking school. Registration is open till October 29th, and then doors will be closed. We just revamped, spent 2 months with a bunch of web professionals revamping the whole platform, which is going to be launching early November. So everybody that gets in now is going to be the first ones onto this new platform, which is so awesome. Okay, so click the link down below, up in the corner. Hopefully we'll meet you on the private Facebook group once you join the school. If not, no worries. Look forward to the next videos, guys. Samurai out.
どうもありがとうミスターロバット。どうも。